10 tips for doll collectors. Today we will be looking at 10 basic tips for doll collectors, whether you are a beginner or advanced collector. The first tip, when taking photos of your dolls, do it in the day. Use natural light, like light from a window. Tip 2, keep your dolls dust-free. You could use a clean dry paintbrush to dust with or an air compressor. Storing them in a glass cabinet is best. Tip 3, you can wash your doll's hair. Usually it's okay to use soap and water. However, do a strand test on a small section. Tip 4, when storing dolls away, make sure it's in a cool, dry place. Store them in a storage container using tissue paper. Tip 5, keep them clean from dirt. Dolls can be wiped down with a damp cloth. Tip 6, don't leave them in direct sunlight as their colors may fade. Tip 7, here are some helpful terms and their meanings. Pause to have a read. Tip 8, when unsure, ask your doll community. Keep connected with the community. If you need help with doll ID or pricing, there's always someone happy to help. Tip 9, track your collection with one of my doll logbooks I created. In these books, you can add a photo of your doll and all the information. There's a video on my YouTube if you want to learn more. Tip 10, collect what you love. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and please subscribe to all my channels. I'm a Barbie collector. And if you have any doll collecting tips, I would love to hear them. Please leave them in the comments.